here is our project in which we have just written the import random and made a function that will use the random dot randim to choose the number between 1 to 6. And here is the print function. So basically this is a simple project which is going to just choose the number between just 1 and 6. So we have to select all and then press run. So here the roll number is like 2, and if we'll again press run, it will be like roll number is 5. So what we are going to do here is, so basically we can use our GitHub copilot. So just press on this button, so it will appear. So here we have to just choose the agent version, not the edit. Just choose the agent version. It will automatically select all the file which is required for our project, and it will edit that. So just I have to write, I have made this project and I want you to give me the simple UI for this project. So let's see how it is doing. Let's click on the send button. So it will take like one reference like project.py. It is the same file that is taking as a reference, and it will start making changes in it. So as you can see, tkinter is a GUI library in Python, and it had included that, and it has given some suggestion and the thing that it had done. So let's press run. So it is the basic thing that it had made. Let's roll die. So it is telling 5 3. So now let's give it as a next prompt. It's good, but can you make it like smooth and responsive? So let's see what it is making again. Now again it is taking reference, and it is telling that the center the window of the screen and doing all those changes, and it is telling that yeah, this changes is being done. Make a window non-resizable and for the consistent appearance. So now let's run this. So here it is. Now roll die, and it is giving like a good view and also a good experience, like it's counting up to that number, and it is now good. So this is how you can use the GitHub Copilot in your any project to just make it more beautiful, and just use your logic and tell it what to make it next. So this is basically use of the GitHub Copilot agent version. So they have released nearly, and see it is so interesting. So hope you will try it.